Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use employees in Zack's service station effectively. First, carefully define each employee's primary role and responsibilities. For example, assign one employee to lead oil changes and another to manage the front desk for customer interactions. Matching individual skills to specific station needs, such as tire repair or general maintenance, maximizes efficiency. Ensure every team member understands their daily tasks, contributing to a smooth and well-organized operation from day one. Delegating daily tasks efficiently ensures a smooth service flow at Zack's. Assign one employee to fuel pump operations while another handles vehicle inspections, for instance. Ensure all employees are thoroughly trained on essential safety protocols, especially for equipment like the hydraulic lift, which can manage up to 10,000 pounds. Using a simple scheduling system helps cover peak hours, like weekday afternoons, and ensures all regular maintenance duties are consistently completed. Investing in your team through training and motivation is crucial for long-term success. Implement regular training sessions, perhaps once every 2 months, to update employee skills on new diagnostic tools or customer service techniques. Provide constructive feedback weekly, focusing on specific areas for improvement, like handling difficult customer situations. Offer small, tangible incentives for excellent performance, such as a $100 bonus or an extra day off, to keep motivation high. Monitoring performance and fostering teamwork are essential for continuous improvement. Track key metrics like average oil change time, aiming for under 15 minutes, or customer satisfaction scores, ideally above 90%. Foster a collaborative environment where employees are encouraged to support one another, perhaps by assisting a colleague with a complex repair. Conduct brief daily huddles, lasting about 5 minutes, to align on priorities and quickly address any operational challenges that arise, ensuring smooth station operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.